How successful people start their morning. Morning habits that change lives.
Have you ever wondered why successful people achieve more in life? It's not luck. It's how they start their mornings, because the first hour of your day can change your entire future. Most people wake up tired, check their phone, and waste their energy before the day even starts. But successful people, they protect their mornings like their future depends on it. Habit 1. Wake up early. Successful people wake up early because mornings are quiet, peaceful, and powerful. While the world sleeps, they prepare to win the day. Habit 2. No phone in the morning. Instead of checking social media, successful people focus on themselves first, because what enters your mind in the morning controls your mindset all day. Habit 3. Move your body. Exercise creates energy. Even a short walk, stretching, or workout can improve focus, confidence, and discipline. Habit 4. Plan the day. Successful people don't live randomly. They know their goals. That's why they plan their day before the world becomes busy. Habit 5. Learn every day. Reading books, listening to podcasts, learning skills. Successful people grow daily because knowledge is one of the biggest investments in life. Your morning routine is creating your future right now. Small habits repeated every day become life-changing results. So tomorrow morning, don't wake up like everyone else. Wake up with purpose, because success starts with the habits you build every single morning. Unlock your potential. Subscribe for daily motivation.